In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Delta Airlines app on Android. This app is a useful tool for travelers, making it easier to manage flights and access a variety of services. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You will see a colorful icon that looks like a play button. This is your gateway to a multitude of applications. Once the store opens, you will notice a search bar at the top. This is where you will type to find the app you need. Opening the Google Play Store is essential because it allows you to access official apps safely. You will also see various apps and categories that might interest you. Next, search for Fly Delta. In the search bar, type FLYDELTA. As you begin typing, suggested apps will appear below the search bar. Look for the app named Fly Delta, which should be listed as developed by Delta Airlines Inc. Using the correct spelling is important to ensure you find the right app. Selecting the official app will provide you with all the features you need for your travels. Once you see Fly Delta in the list, you know you're on the right track. Now tap on Fly Delta by Delta Airlines Inc. This action will take you to the app's page. Here, you will see more information about the app, including its features and user ratings. This page is designed to help you understand what the app offers before you download it. It is reassuring to know what to expect. You can read through the description and user reviews to get a sense of how well the app performs. Next, tap Install. This button is usually green and easy to locate. By tapping Install, you are initiating the download process. The app will start downloading and installing automatically. You might see a progress bar indicating how much time is left. This step is crucial because it ensures that the app is installed correctly on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification. Wait for the app to download and install. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments. It is important to be patient during this step. The app is being prepared for use, and you will find that once it is installed, accessing Delta services will be much easier. You may see the app icon appear on your home screen or in your app drawer. Now tap Open. This action launches the Fly Delta app for the first time. You will see the app welcome you with a friendly interface. The app is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for you to navigate. Once you tap Open, you will be ready to explore the features available to you. Next, sign in with your SkyMiles account or tap Join SkyMiles to create a free account. Signing in will personalize your experience and provide access to your travel information. If you do not have an account, creating one is quick and easy. This step is crucial because it allows you to book flights, check in, access your boarding pass, track bags, and manage your trips all in one place. You will appreciate how convenient this makes your travel experience. Once you have signed in or created your account, you are ready to start using the app. This makes planning and managing your travel much simpler. You can now navigate through the app to find the information you need. With everything set up, you can enjoy a seamless travel experience with Delta Airlines. Thank you for following along, and safe travels!